Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we're going to be playing with a set number 60032 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2014. This isn't going to be a very long video, just something nice and short, and you move out the way. So without further ado, let's get started. Just this. Time to pack up the snowmobile for a little trip. So first of all, radio headset. Let me just radio HQ. Let them know I'm going. Hello, HQ. I'm going off on a little test ride with my snowmobile. Okay, you are clear for takeoff. Do we live on an airport? Just put this radio over here. Okay, oh, my trusty pickaxe, given to me by my grandma, who was a really good Arctic explorer. Do I need anything else? Yeah. Just hook it up there. Gotta make sure that it's hooked on nicely. Last time I nearly lost it. Alright, I think I'm ready to go. Just hop into the seat over here. Yeehaw! This is a great snowmobile. Ah, what a lovely day out here in the Arctic. Hey, polar bears? Oh, little polar bears and cubs. Oh, that's nice. Oh, what's over there? Oh, ice and snow and my footprints. Yeah. Ooh, more ice. This actually looks kind of familiar. Wait, let me get my little pickaxe there. Din, din, din. Yeah, this is one of those crystal formation ice boulders. I'm gonna take it along with me and show my boss. Good thing I went to the gym. There we go. Strap it in there just to make sure that it doesn't fall off this trailer. Hop on. Okay, time to go. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to shoot more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!